One Edo State High Court wey dey Benin City don strike out case wey 13 Enigies for Benin Kingdom file on behalf of the Oba of Benin against Edo State government, Attorney General of the state, Executive Council of Edo State and 33 other Enigies. The case na against the state government under the leadership of former Governor Godwin Obaseki wey make decision wey people see as dey undermine the Benin Traditional Council, especially Oba of Benin. Under the instruction of His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Kwakbolokpolo Oba Ewari II, dem withdraw the case in respect to Governor Monday Okpegolo wey don restore statutory rights of the Oba in order for peace and harmony to reign for the kingdom. The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Barrister Samson Osagie for im tok with Tori pipo come tok say the Okpegolo government no go dey involved for any matter wey concern custom and tradition unless e dey affect the rights and privilege of Edo pipo. Barrister Osagie come praise Governor Okpegolo for the way e take restore the statutory rights of the Oba wey make dem withdraw the case, say the end of the case show say peace and unity go return to the kingdom and the dispute no for happen if former government no create additional traditional councils. Barrister Osagie come also talk say His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Kwakbolokpolo Oba Ewari II show say im be father of the state and ready to work with the government. Say the case don officially dey strike out and the Oba, the Benin Traditional Council and the 13 Enigies loyal to am don officially withdraw the case against Edo State government, say no more wahala between Edo State government and the Benin Traditional Council.
The High Court of Justice, Court 3, formally struck out the suit that was instituted by some 13 Enigies in the Benin Kingdom on behalf of the Oba of Benin against Edo State government, the Attorney General of the state, the Executive Council of Edo State, and other 33 Enigies. You recall that upon assumption of office, His Excellency Governor Monday Okpegolo took steps to restore peace and harmony within the Benin Kingdom and the state, which was broken by the decision of the former government to balkanize and undermine the Benin Traditional Council, particularly the Oba of Benin. He took steps by restoring the full statutory rights of the Oba of Benin, his recognition as the only paramount traditional ruler in the Benin Kingdom, as the permanent chairman of the Edo State Traditional Council. So today, on the instructions of His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Kwakbolokpolo Oba Ewari II, the matter was withdrawn formally in due deference to the action, laudable action of His Excellency the Governor, in order that peace and harmony may reign in the kingdom. So that brings to an end the dispute which arose as a result of the creation of additional traditional councils by the former government. So, as you can see, due recognition has now been again conferred on His Royal Majesty Oba of Benin, and the law does not make the argument is simple. The law does not create customary law. The law does not create tradition. It merely declares it. So this government will not involve itself in having to interfere with matters of customs and tradition, especially if they are not inimical to the rights, privileges of the citizens of the state. And so we have lived in this state in peace and harmony with our traditional institutions. This government will restore and has taken steps to do that, and will not in any way allow any matter to come between the government and traditional institutions in Edo State. So, and His Royal Majesty has demonstrated as a father that he's a father of this state and is ready to cooperate with the government of this state. So that's where we are. The case has now formally been struck out. His Royal Majesty, the Oba of Benin, the Benin Traditional Councils, and the 13 Enigies who have remained absolutely loyal to the Oba of Benin have formally withdrawn their case against the Edo State government. So there is no dispute between the Edo State government and the Benin Traditional Council.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Kata Ojesali, TMC TV News.